In this video, I'll guide you through how to import Google Trends data in Google Sheets. By the end, you'll be able to take search trend data from Google and bring it straight into a spreadsheet where you can analyze, chart, and share it. Let's start on the Google Trends website. In your browser, go to trendsgoogle.com. This is Google's tool for exploring how search interest changes over time. Make sure you're signed into your Google account if you want to keep things organized with the same profile you use for Sheets, although it's not strictly required just to download data. Once you're on the Google Trends homepage, look for the search bar near the top. Here, type in the keyword or phrase you want to analyze. This could be a brand name, a product, a topic you're researching, or even a comparison you're curious about. As you type, Google Trends might suggest related terms. Choose the one that best matches what you're interested in, then press Enter to run the search. After you've entered your keyword, click the Explore button. This will load a detailed page showing you trend information for that keyword. You'll see options to adjust the country or region, the time range, the category, and the type of search, like web search or YouTube search. Setting these filters to match your needs will make the data you export much more useful. So take a moment to choose the settings that make sense for your project. On the results page, look for the section called Interest Over Time. This is usually one of the first charts you see and shows how search interest for your keyword changes over the selected time range. This is exactly the data we want to bring into Google Sheets. On the right side of the Interest Over Time section, you'll see an option to download the data as a CSV file. Click the Download CSV button. Your browser will save a file, usually to your default Downloads folder. If your browser asks where to save it, choose a location you'll remember because we'll need to find this file in a moment. Now that you have this CSV file from Google Trends, open a new tab in your browser and go to sheetsgoogle.com. This will take you to Google Sheets. If you're not already signed in, sign in with your Google account, then create a new blank spreadsheet so you have a clean place to import your data. At the top left of your new spreadsheet, click on File. This opens a menu with options for handling your spreadsheet. From this menu, click Import. This tells Google Sheets that you want to bring in data from an external file. In the import window that appears, click on the Upload tab. This is where you can drag and drop a file from your computer or choose one manually. Next, click Browse. A file picker will open, showing the files on your device. Navigate to the folder where your Google Trends CSV file was saved, select that file, and confirm. After you select the file, Sheets will process it and show a few import options. In most cases, you can keep the default settings, which will insert the data into your current spreadsheet. Finally, click Import Data. Google Sheets will load the contents of the CSV file into your sheet with dates and interest values organized into rows and columns ready for you to sort, filter, or turn into charts.